Oh my. What the?
Today is the day, guys. We are here at the shop where we are about to get the test pipes installed today. And these are the ISR short tube headers that we're also putting on today. So I wanted to show you guys the welds markings before everything got put on the vehicle, in case anybody wanted to purchase this for themselves. They know how it's looking now. These took about 3 months for these to come in, and then I let them sit for another 3 months, which is horrible, but you know, life happens. So yeah, spin that around this way. To me, they did a pretty decent job. So yeah, we start the process today, guys. Let's go. So, here go the packaging. That's how it comes in a box. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna want to get your own. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna want to get your own hardware or not. No, but it's the hardware that comes with it. I'm tight, because I would have went to Z1 and ordered some new ones, but I bullshitted. Berks test pipes. Yeah, guys, it's getting ugly. It's getting ugly. I want to show y'all the difference real quick. See that? Ain't no restrictions in it. Completely open. Non-resonated. Shit gonna be loud. Now, let's compare that to the cat. With all that restriction. Hold up, wait a sec. There we go. That shit. Super duper restricted, people. So. Driver's side, that shit is not for the weak. Most people, they knock out that passenger side first, because that driver's side is reckless. See, look, let's take a look around real quick. Got that first chumpy out. Now just take a look at that, right? In comparison, we're gonna show you the other side. It's all fucked up. Here, we're gonna show you the new joints. Take a walk around here. Gotta clean them bitches up. See, we're gonna compare them to the new joints, side by side. See that? Now, just look at how much more. Fuck it.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new.
Let's take a look. Let's look. These are the differences. That piping, you can definitely tell. That's thicker than those. I wish I could have got them bitches wrapped, but I wasn't doing all of that shit. So, that's it. Let's match them up. Exactly. There we go. Alright, let's bring it back real quick. Now it's literally lined up from bolt to bolt. I don't know, bro. Shit, them shits look, them holes look bigger than me than those. But the piping on it, that's definitely where the difference comes in it. Piping on it's definitely thicker. That back. So yeah, see the cats is out. Just back where it need to be. But yeah, man, this bullshit gotta go. Can't have this. You slowing me down, bro. You slowing me down. You know what I'm saying? I got M340s to smoke, you heard? See, look, yeah. That bolt right there, brethren. That's that killer. It's always that one bolt. See, guys, this is why I ain't do this shit myself. The exact reason why I ain't do this. That one bolt is killing the whole game right now. So, alright, so it's stuck. It's acting like it don't want to come down. So you talking about taking the starter out real quick, then bringing the rest down. It's piston. Oh shit. Oh. Now you see, never took the starter out. Starter still in. But you see, he had to unloosen the steering column in order to pull that side out. See this side? That side cake work for y'all. I ain't even done yet. Still got more shit to pop on.
Later that night.